Welcome to Garden House Studio. Today's project is the beginning of our Halloween crafts, and we are going to be working with Roycycled retro Halloween paper on a sap bucket. The first thing I did to prepare this paper is I sprayed the back with a sealer because I knew I wanted to paint the different motifs before I cut them out, so I wanted it to be sealed. Then I went ahead and painted the ones I knew I was going to use with white paint. By using the sealer, it prevents the paper from absorbing all of the white paint, and it made it so it dried much more quickly. Once the paper is thoroughly dry, I am going to cut apart the parts that I'm going to use right now and just put the other ones aside. I am doing projects with all of these, so those other two will be next. I want to do 3 projects off of this one piece of paper. So it's time to do some fussy cutting, and I love the white border because this sap bucket is black. It would kind of blend into the black cat, and I'm glad we have that white border around. So fussy cut. I'm using my Pentart Decoupage glue and varnish, and this is the shiny one, and it actually came out really neat on the bucket and made it look nice and shiny, which kind of added to that retro look. I'm putting an adequate amount on, enough I'm pressing out the bubbles and the wrinkles as I'm going along, and I think in retrospect I wish I had actually put some varnish on the bucket also, because there was a couple wrinkles that didn't come out, but after I used my finger to get as many as I could, I then got a piece of wadded up cellophane and pushed some more of the wrinkles out. Using the same Pentart varnish and glue, I did a top coat over the whole bucket, and then it was time to add the words that I had created on the computer and finish this bucket. Finishing touches for a Halloween bucket, Happy Halloween and Trick or Treat, And I'm sorry that I had the camera in a way where it was picking up everything, all the script backwards. The script, the Happy Halloween and the Trick or Treat, is part of a printable that I made, and it is available on my website, as are all of the other products that we use today. And it's gardenhousestudiosshop.com. And we would love it if you subscribe to our channel and come back again for more DIY and more Halloween crafts.